Good morning students. Today we are going to learn our EVS first lesson number 3, the earth and its living world. See the figure, the sphere of the earth. Sphere means what? Area of the earth. In this figure we have to see that different spheres: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Atmosphere means what? Air. Hydrosphere means what? Water. And lithosphere means what? Land. I'll see. There are 3 main spheres on the earth. And these 3 spheres constitute the biosphere. See some questions. Where do you get water from? We get water from rainfall. Where do we lay the foundation of building? We lay the foundation of building on ground. What need do we meet through breathing? We need oxygen to live. From where does the earth get light and heat? Earth gets light and heat from the sun. On the surface of the earth we find land in some places and water in others. The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. There are living things on land, in water and in air. That is, in above figure we see the different living things. We see birds in air, we see fishes in the water, we see cow grazing on the land. The sun is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. So, sun is the main source of energy that all the organisms get heat and light from the sun. Water, land and air constitute envelope of the earth, namely hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. The biosphere spreads in all the other 3 spheres. Now let us see the lithosphere and hydrosphere. The earth crust is hard. Crust means what? Outer covering. It is mainly made up of rock. Our earth's outer part is hard and it is mainly made up of rock. When we travel in hilly region, we see layer of soil and rocks along road cuts. We see grassy expanses of land in some places. That is full of grassland we see, and only sand in others. The land is covered with crops in some places and with forest in remaining places. Sometimes we get to see the deeper layer of soil into which tree roots spread. At others we see rocks split apart by the tree roots. When we travel on mountain, then we see the big rocks split open with the help of small trees. Mountain slopes, there are gentle mountain slopes as well as sheer cliff of rocks. Sheer cliff of rocks means उंच जे माउंटनचे सुळके असतात त्याला काय म्हणतात? sheer cliffs of rocks. All these lands features are a part of Earth's lithosphere. Much of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The lithosphere extends under this water. About a third of the surface of the Earth consists of land. See the figure. See here, the water, the 2/3 part covered with water, it is very large amount, and 1/3 part covered with land. About 1/3 of the surface of the earth consists of a land. A vast continuous stretch of a land is called a continent. A vast continuous stretch of a land is called a continent. In Marathi, what we call that? जमिनीचा सलग व मोठ्या भागालाच कॉन्टिनेंट असं म्हणतात. लँडचा आपला जो कंटिन्युअस जो भाग आहे आणि जो बिग अमाऊंटमध्ये आहे त्याला काय म्हणतात? कॉन्टिनेंट. द लँड ऑन द अर्थ इज डिवायडेड इंटू 7 कॉन्टिनेंट. दे आर एशिया, युरोप, आफ्रिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साऊथ अमेरिका, अंटार्क्टिका and Australia. And Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. The land is not even in all places. The land is not same in all places. The unevenness gives different shape to the land in different places. Means what? In some places it is very big. And the unevenness gives different shape to the land in different places. They are called land forms. काही ठिकाणी ते उंच असते किंवा काही ठिकाणी ती सखल असते. In the picture above, you can see some landforms like the plain, hill, mountain, etc. See the picture, above picture. Here we can see the various landforms like mountain, pass, valley, hill, hillock, plain, river, plateau and island. Two-thirds of the earth's surface is covered with water. Means large part of the earth's surface is covered with water. Most of this water is in the ocean. Ocean water is salty. There are 5 oceans, namely Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, the Southern Ocean and the Indian Ocean. The land along the margin of an ocean is called the coastal region. What is meant by coastal region? The land along the margin of an ocean is called the coastal region. Coastal region means what? Kinar patti. Water bodies of different shapes and size are formed along the coast. For example, sea, bay, strait, gulf, creek. These water bodies are part of the ocean. Bay means what? Upasagar. Strait means what? Samudra, Duni, gulf, Akhat आणि creek, खाडी. These water bodies are part of the ocean. Now let us see surface water. There are many streams of water flowing over the land, that large and small bodies. This water is not salty but it is fresh one. These streams of water may be rills, brooks, streams or rivers. Rills are the smallest and river the biggest. See here, rills means what? Ohal means side water or small water bodies come to meet into brooks. Brooks म्हणजे काय? ओढा. Rills are the smallest water bodies and river is the biggest water bodies. Rills, brooks, streams join each other to form rivers. Rivers which join to make a big river are called its tributaries. Means what? Small rivers meet each other and make a big river. That small rivers are called that big rivers tributaries, उपनद्या. In some places a river cascades down a sudden drop. This forms a waterfall. All river eventually flow into ocean. Means that cascades means what? Naturally drop down in a high mountain. That one called waterfall. In our Satara we know about that Thosegar mountain, Thosegar's waterfall. Lake, a water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low-lying area of land is called lake. Lake means what? Sarovar. Water in the form of ice. Water particles in the clouds freeze and in cold region. In cold region what happen? They come down in the form of snow, like in Jammu Kashmir area. When layer of snow pile up on the ground, they form ice. When such a layers of ice pile up in a low-lying area, they become enormous in a size. स्नोवी रिजनमध्ये जे स्नो खाली पडतं, जमिनीवर पडतं, त्याचा एकावर एक थर असतो आणि तो थर हा परत एकावर एक साचल्यामुळे त्याची साईज इनॉर्मस होते, बिग साईजमध्ये तो फॉर्म होतो आणि हा हळूहळू जो थर आहे तो हळूहळू काय होतो की ज्या ठिकाणी उतार असेल त्या साईडने तो हळूहळू स्लो स्पीडमध्ये खाली सरकतो. त्यालाच काय म्हणतात? ग्लॅशियर म्हणतात. They become enormous in size. This huge mass slips down a slope at a very slow speed. This is called a glacier. There are also huge blocks of ice floating in the sea. They are called icebergs. Glacier means what? Himanadi, and icebergs means what? हिमनग. बर्फाची लादी, हिमनग. Ground water. Besides these water bodies on the earth's surface, there is a lot of water stored in the underground layers of rock. It is called groundwater. We reach it by means of dug wells and bore wells. Means we get that underground water with the help of bore wells and that big wells. Many lakes and wells get water from underground springs. Springs म्हणजे काय? झरा. The water or ice that occupies the earth's surface, groundwater, and the water vapor in the atmosphere together form the earth's hydrosphere. The water or ice that occupies the earth's surface, groundwater, and the water vapor in the atmosphere together from the earth's hydrosphere.